Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to find your motherboard, make and model in Windows 11 and 10. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to be able to do, as you can then go and see if something is with motherboard. Or maybe you want to go find out a specification. It doesn't matter. Let's go and get started. So what you need to do is come to the bottom of Windows. Click on Search and you need to go and type in System Information. It should go and get suggested to you and you can click on it to open it up. If anything is hidden here, you can always go and adjust it by holding in between it, as you need to go and locate baseboard aka motherboard. And so as you can see, I've got a MicroStart International, which stands for MSI, and we can go and see the product is the MS16R4. Therefore that is my motherboard there, so it's that simple. I've now got the make and model. It's that simple. If you found this useful and you want to see more guys like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.